Good morning, friends. I am here at Sanjeevji's office here in Fremont, and as you guys can know, it's a very busy time of the year. Tax deadline for the corporate is just a couple days away, so I just wanted to kind of see how this office is, and everybody is super busy. Everybody is telling me, Sanjeevji, that economy is gonna get hurt. But my question to you is, I go to Costco, there are lines backing up miles away. It feels like you go to Costco, you go to Walmart, you go to grocery store, people are buying stuff like crazy. So, I mean, I'm not a math expert, but to me, it sounds like if a lot of people are shopping, economy should go up, shouldn't it?
Basically, if people are shopping like most of the daily use items, like the sanitizers are not there, toilet papers are not there,
Yeah, all paper
all
products.
paper products are
Yep.
they are going to go up.
Yep. So what is your take? I mean, obviously we saw that now international travel has literally come to halt for the most practical
Hotels are not
purpose.
making money. Restaurants are not
Hotels,
making.
restaurant, basically travel industry is just stopped.
I just heard today President Trump in the news conference. They were saying about giving incentives for those people, for those industries hit by this virus, like hotel industry, transportation. So we are looking forward for that one. And they also promised the small business administration is going to give loans. I got a call from one of the banker, RJ, who works with me. They're doing a meeting on Monday. So if any businesses are going to hit by this unknown situations, and definitely they can talk to their bankers and find out what type of federal loans are being made available for their businesses, because we get to know that the small business administration is going to give loans for the business to be affected by it. That's one thing. Second thing for they've said is payroll tax cuts. So if you are quarantined or you're diagnosed with the virus, and you're compelled to stay at home for 2 weeks, definitely the employer has to pay wages. An employer will get a payroll tax credit from the IRS. How the details will be worked out, we still wait for it, but it will be win-win situation for both of them, for the employer and employee. And also you have to check your EDD website. For California, check the edd.ca.gov. There are a lot of things that is there on that website: how to apply for disability insurance, how to get payment for things that not in your control, like paid sick leave and other things. So regarding sick leave, they are extending for 2 weeks for sick leaves. Now the details are still worked out. Again, I will encourage so people go to edd.ca.gov. Regarding the tax deadlines, we are working as normal. Reason for that is there is no IRS communication so far regarding extension of
You
the
know why, right, Sanjeevji?
sorry,
You know why?
why?
Because they're probably working from home.
But we are working as normal because we have to file the returns for the corporate, which is deadline is coming on March 16. Regarding individual taxes, April 15. Of course, there are certain things are in the pipeline. If you owe taxes, they can extend the terms for payment of taxes. There will be no penalty interest as per what they are saying. We have not heard anything from IRS as yet on this, and hopefully the deadline will be extended for the individual taxes and C corporation, which is due on April 15th.
So, couple of questions. Number one thing is a lot of our clients are small business owners. They're restaurants, gas station owners, hotels owners. Many of them are consultants, dentists, doctors, IT consultants. They're running their small businesses. So, this payroll tax credit, would that apply to small business owners?
Yes, yes. That's why what they have said is, as per what I've heard in the news conference today, is employees will be they will be sitting at home for work from home, and they will get the regular paycheck, and the employer will apply for a credit from the IRS, and they will they will get an advance payment. Now, what that nature will come, I don't know. I'm not sure. Once the details come up, we'll share the details with all of you, and then we can take it from there.
Yeah, I almost feel like the easier way would have been if an employee or anyone for that matter, any resident of US, just like how every resident has to file their own taxes. In my opinion, once again, I'm not a politician, nor do I understand this stuff. But to me, the easiest thing would be as me, as a taxpayer, should be able to go to government and say, look, this is my problem, help me here.
Help me, yes.
Right? Why do I have to get involved with employer? The employer has to file the paperwork. Employer may or may not agree with
And
what I say.
taking money from IRS is also not easy because you have to go through a lot of paperwork. But let's see. And the other thing was also the thing I want to bring to the notice is the California has extended 2 months for business owners and individual filers. 60 days extension is there. So if you owe any California taxes, you can you don't have to pay for a period of 16 days, 60 days. So they've extended from April 15 to June 15. So that's the extension from the California side. Other states are also following, like Maryland, Washington State, other things, but not.
Are you talking about for individual or for business owners?
For individuals filers,
But
and
not for business
for
owners.
California small businesses also they're given the extension, but again it's not California. For small business like S corporations, LLCs, there's not much taxes owed because everything flows on a personal. Of course, there's LLC fees and 1.5% tax on the source income on the net profit in case of S corporation, but that's not much in that case. The individuals are most impacted by the California taxes.
So there is some relief there.
Only for a California tax owners, as of now. What Monday will bring, I don't know.
Yeah, and we don't know. Do we have any other details on any other states?
Not yet. Just other states, like I said, Maryland, Washington State, Georgia, Florida. So they are coming up.
So some states are offering some advantages, but not everybody. So I think this is an evolving situation. There are probably going to be other.
Yes, they are going to, like I said. So if you're a business owner, small business owner, talk on Monday. See what the guidelines are coming up very soon. Talk to your banker on Monday or Tuesday, whenever you find time, and there will be something coming up from Small Business Administration.
Now I hear a lot about federal government pumping a lot of money into economy, right? I think some like $1.5 trillion or something. What is all that about?
That's a loan. The loan given to SBA.
Okay, so that's how that's going to flow. Basically, they want to keep the market liquid.
And
Basically,
payroll tax credit or tax credit given by the IRS. So that will be offsetting the revenue.
all right, guys. So there it is. For time being, looks like everything is normal. You do need to file your taxes, so do not ignore that.
As of now.
As of now, you do need to file your taxes. Sanjeevji, those of who are for whatever reason not prepared to file their taxes, what should they do at this point?
Just file the extension. I'll just say, don't pay anything. Just file the extension and wait for more clarification from the government.
All right, there it is. If you guys have any questions, our offices are still open, so you can definitely give us a call at 510-825-7563. We will definitely pick up the phone and answer that question for you. All right, thank you so much for watching this video, and we'll talk to you soon.
Thank you.